Hi everyone, welcome back to Aditya TV YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna start a new IPL series. This is called IPL Debate and this is episode 1, Mumbai Indians versus Chennai Super Kings. So let us analyze both the teams with their playing 11s, their middle order, their batting, their bowling, their fielding, etc, etc, etc in this video. So no, I'm not alone in this video. We have three members with me, Yashwant, Varshintej and Bharadwaj. Please meet them. Yeah, please introduce yourself to my audience.
Hello everyone, this is Yashwant.
Hello everyone, this is Varshintej.
Hello everyone, this is Bharadwaj.
Yes. So let me tell you guys, me and Yashwant are gonna take CSK side, whereas Bharadwaj and Varshintej are gonna take Mumbai Indians side. So let us start this IPL debate. Okay. So let us start our IPL playing 11s first. So Yashwant, take over.
Okay, so CSK, as you know, our openers are Shane Watson and Fab du Plessis. Then it comes Raina. Then it is Ambati Raidu. Then it is Kedar Jadhav. Then our Taleva, MSD.
Yes. And then comes Sam Curran from England, Wayne Bravo from West Indies. Then comes Ravindra Jadeja from India. He's a spinner all-rounder. And then comes Piyush Chawla at last at number 11. We have Deepak Chahar, who's going to bowl really well in the first few overs.
And this is our maybe playing 11. And depending upon the pitch conditions and everything, maybe the players can be changed.
Yeah. Yashwant, start the debate.
As you everyone know, this is 2020 and an even year. Though I found, though I hear sarcastic, but this is true that MI is not going to qualify this because 2016, 2018, no, you didn't even see MI in the first four positions, I think, right? So I don't think so. This time MI going to qualify. So what are you
Yeah,
going to
you're
say about
absolutely
it?
right. Yeah, you're absolutely right.
Yeah. So what are you going to say about it?
But I don't think every time this pattern works.
Uh,
Yeah, actually, it actually looks like a superstition, but again, if you actually see all the stats, it's actually true. In 2014 also, which was an even year, Mumbai Indians played in UAE. It lost all the 5 matches played in UAE. So what do you say about that?
In 2015, MI squad was not that strong, but now they have very good batsmen in form of Rohit Sharma and Quinton de Kock, etc. So I think they may perform well, and the stadiums in the UAE are very large. So I think the batting order of MI is very deep now. So I think they can smash huge sixes and make a change in the scoreboard.
okay.
Okay, yeah.
We
So
even
let
have
me come to the point. Let me come to the point. The point is that UAE is known for the spinners. Every
And
time when
we
you see matches in UAE, the spinners are gonna be crucial. And this time, CSK is having the most number of spinners in this IPL 2020, and the most experienced spinners, I would say. We have Ravindra Jadeja, we have Piyush Chawla, we have Mitchell Santner, we have Kedar Jadhav, and we have Imran Tahir. So what do you say about that? You have only two good spinners, I guess, and those are Rahul Chahar and Krunal Pandya. And what all can you expect from these two?
we
I'm
even have
expecting
Jayant
a
Yadav as a backup.
sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
We even have Jayant Yadav as a backup spinner.
So yeah,
Yeah, true.
that's fine, but I don't think they're well experienced compared to our ballers, right? Because
Jayan
they
Yadav is
can.
very experienced. He has made his debut for India and has smashed a century in 11 at number 11.
Yeah,
No,
you're
I'm
true,
So he's
man.
like
very
that
experienced
is
as
true,
an
bro.
offspring.
But no, let me complete. That is true, but I'm saying compared to our spinners, which who are well experienced, right? Imran Tahir is a well experienced player. He's an epic bowler. You know, as he
Yeah, he's
performed
bubble
well
cap
in
winner. Yeah.
yeah, he has performed well in IPL and World Cup actually. And we have Mitchell Santner who played epic in the West New Zealand for New Zealand in the World Cup, right? And we have
Moreover, you
Jadeja
cannot
and
forget
everyone.
Jadeja, the World Cup semi-final. You cannot forget that.
Yeah.
It's Ravindra Jadeja, and he's an amazing fielder. He can bat you in the deep. He can bowl you 4 overs, and you can't even compare Jadeja and Jayant Yadav.
But we can compare Jadeja and Krunal Pandya, right? He can bat down the order. He can field well. He's an excellent bowler also.
Yeah, you're true, man. See, but actually, if you see the spin, I think in the spin, you can't even compare your spinners with CSK spinners. Okay,
Yeah,
I
I
think
agree that, but
in the spin thing, CSK is leading in the compared to all other teams, not only Mumbai Indians. I think Mumbai Indians is the last because if you see Hyderabad, they're having Rashid Khan. If you see Delhi Capitals, they are having Ravichandran Ashwin. So you guys don't have a proper spinner like most experienced spinner. So that's the
yeah,
point to count.
I agree that, but I think we have Mumbai Indians have a lot of experience in T20 format, known for the shorter T20. Rahul Chahar has made his in Shahaz Mustaq Ali Trophy. He has performed well into the 2019 and 2018 also. That's why he was picked in the MI auction for MI.
And
He
if you're talking about T20, right? So
he's very experienced.
yeah, yeah, you're right. Okay, so you're talking
IPL
about
is the
T20
format
format,
of T.
right? Yeah,
Yeah,
T20 you're talking about. So if you come to Rohit Sharma, he has a he has an epic name in the world cricket, but when it comes to IPL, he has only one century. Even
yeah.
Shane Watson is leading in number of centuries. Shane Watson is leading Rohit Sharma as well. And if Shane Watson is an amazing player of spin as well, so we have good guys who can play spin really well. Even Dhoni can bat spin really well. And Raina,
But
I don't have to tell about Raina.
I think Dhoni is very tentative for leg break bowling.
Yeah,
Dhoni
yeah,
is
it's
very tentative for
okay.
leg.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I agree.
Rohit
Yashwant,
So you
come
Sharma
up
can't
with
takes
a point.
make there.
Yashwant, come up with a point.
Yashwant mute.
you are on mute.
Yashwant is muted.
So okay, let me
You
take
just
over.
continue. You just continue. I'll just speak. I'll just speak.
Okay, okay. So
Rohit Sharma takes Rohit
yeah,
Sharma
coming to
takes
your
some
bat.
time.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Like
What were you saying?
I'll continue. Wait, I'll continue. So
Okay.
you're like Dhoni's no problem. We have another best we have more batsmen, right? Compared to you have, and Rohit Sharma is not in he's not consistent in T20. As you see in World Cup, it's 50 overs, but here it's 20 overs. I don't think so. He can continue until 10 overs, right? In the starting five crucial overs only, maybe he can be out by our bowlers. And
yeah,
UAE is yeah. You continue, please. Sorry.
he takes more time to get settled on the grease. So that's the reason we have sent Quinton de Kock as he comes into the form very quickly. So until Quinton de Kock finishes the first 10 overs, Rohit Sharma gets into the form and he'll come into his form.
So I have one more point. See, we were talking about playing 11, right? In the starting of this video. In the playing 11, in our 11 players, we have 7 bowlers. So all rounders, I think in CSK there are many all rounders. See, Shane Watson can bowl you, Suresh Raina can bowl you, and Jadeja is there, Piyush Chawla is there, and Deepak Chahar, Dwayne Bravo, Sam Curran. So these all guys can bowl you.
Even
So
in CSK, even the 11th player can hit a six. Like
yeah, even that is also count.
they're
If you
good
see
at
even
batting
Deepak
actually.
Chahar, yeah, you're right, Yashwant, you're right. See, the whole playing 11 is they can change the match. CSK is not dependent on a single player, of course, but even a single player can bring a huge impact. If you see in CSK,
Yes, actually.
over the years, if one player played, I think CSK has won those matches. If you see in 2018, the first match versus Mumbai Indians that was happened in Wankhede Stadium, all the CSK batsmen upper order they got out, and but in the deep, Bravo has come and hit those few sixes and made CSK win. So in the same way, I think CSK has many finishers, many all rounders. CSK is such a team who's not dependent on the whole team, but on a single player sometimes also. So if you come to Mumbai Indians, there's no single match winner.
But
Of
in CSK, there are no proper death bowlers except Deepak Chahar and Dwayne Bravo. There are no proper death bowlers in CSK.
yeah, you
Deepak, yeah,
that's the reason we have bought Bravo and Sam Curran into the team. See, firstly, let me tell you, UAE is
UAE
truly
is a
known
spin
for
pitch.
spinners,
It is
spin
known for the
pitch.
spinners.
Over the years, only spinners, I think around 60% or 70% of the wickets are taken by spinners. So there's a point to count. and the stadiums
Okay.
are huge. They are huge compared to Indian pitches and Indian grounds.
Yes, I
Of
know
course,
that. But
it is true. I agree with your point, depth bowlers. But the thing is that we have Sam Curran also who can bowl you in the middle overs. We have Dwayne Bravo who can bowl you the last 3-4 overs, and we have Deepak Chars with the new swinging ball in the first initial few overs. So, and moreover, we have many spinners. We have Kedar Jadhav. Kedar Jadhav is an amazing spinner. You can't even play him with back foot.
Back foot.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we have Ravindra Jadeja. We have Piyush Chawla. And moreover, we have Mitchell Santner. Even
Who has
Dhoni
took the
can
wicket of Hardik Pandya in semi-finals, as you know.
semi-final.
So
So we can use anyone according to the pitch conditions. The CSK is having more number of options.
To face those spin bowlers, we even have many power hitters in Mumbai Indians.
okay, can you just
Like
save me the
Hardik Pandya,
11,
Karen
like
Pollard,
your 11?
Once can you
Can-
repeat
okay.
playing 11? Actually,
You're
I
playing
think,
11?
yeah,
yeah,
please.
take off
Yes,
Bharat.
Sorry?
Rohit Sharma,
Okay.
Rohit Sharma,
Yeah.
Okay,
Quinton de Kock,
Okay.
Yeah.
Kumar Yadav, Ishan Kishan, Krunal Pandya, Karen Pollard, Hardik Pandya, Lashit Malinga, Jasprit Bumrah, Lashit, Trent Boult,
Ra-
and Rahul Sharma.
Rahul.
So you,
Rahul
so if
Sharma.
you see the spin is clearly seen very, it's very weak. They are only having Rahul Chahar and Krunal Pandya. How can you depend only on these two bowlers? These two bowlers didn't even take many wickets in the international cricket. Rahul Chahar did not even debut for the Indian team. So how can you even expect
Rahul
them to take
Chahar has
wickets?
played for
But
Indian team in T20 format. Rahul Chahar
Yeah,
has
he did.
played.
He did. Yes. That's another side, but
Yeah.
your
Okay.
spin department is a bit weak compared to CSK spin
Oh,
department.
It's
And
not a
as
bit, man. It's not a bit.
Right.
It's
yeah,
huge.
there's a difference. Yeah, there's a lot of difference actually. But depend as you know, again I'm saying the same point. UAE is known for spin bowlers,
Okay.
as
Okay, let
Aditya
us
said.
get out of
spin
this
ball.
point. Let us get out of this point. I think we are unnecessarily talking about the same topic.
Yeah.
So let us get over the next topic. And the spin thing,
Yeah.
I think, of course, CSK is leading you guys.
Yeah, we just got a point in like in the bowling
Yeah,
department,
yeah.
you can say.
Actually, the audience will decide who's the winner is actually.
And Rahul Chahar have a good debut
Yeah.
against CSK. Good innings. He have good figures against the CSK. Many of the
I
CSK
also want
batsmen
to
failed
say
against
that
the Rahul Chahar.
Yeah, true, man. True.
I
Yeah,
also want
that's
to say
true.
that the pitch condition in UAE is very favorable for spinners, but our
Yeah,
fast
yeah.
bowlers, Jasprit Bumrah, Lasith Malinga, and Trent Boult have so
See,
much.
one more
They
thing
are
I
so
have to
much
tell you, you
experienced
have
that
taken Lasith Malinga into the team. How did you even think of doing that? See, Lasith Malinga, of course, is an epic bowler. I have no words for him. But if you see his recent form, especially in 2020, I think it's worst. When he played with West Indies, he gave away many runs. Even in 2019 IPL, also he gave away many runs. If you just forget about about that last over in IPL finals, all other overs which he bowled were like about 10 runs, above 10 runs. By luck factor, I think in the last over he somehow got Shane Watson's run out. I think without Shane Watson run out, I think you don't
You would
you
never win
don't
actually.
you actually
That's called
couldn't win that. Shane Watson was suffering with lot of blood. I mean, with lot of pain on his knees. That's the reason actually you guys have won the IPL finals in Hyderabad.
hey, don't talk about IPL finals now.
Yeah, of
You
course,
don't
that's the
talk
point.
okay,
about
that's fine,
Malinga.
but
He's
no,
a great bowler, but
yeah. I'll continue. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
The thing is that Aditya want to say about the fitness actually, fitness
yes,
and the
yes.
form at present where Lasith Malinga is. Like you can see
Yeah,
his
Malinga.
like in ODIs and T20 is not performing as well before he would do. Like in past days, oh Malinga, oh my God, he's
Yeah,
like
yeah, you're true.
dangerous bowler. But
Yeah,
now
before.
it's like fine, we can face him. By luck, we don't know, but we can
yes,
face him. It's like
We can
that.
face.
but
And one
Malinga
more
Uh,
thing is that
I
Rohit
don't
Sharma
think
now
played his last match in February, and now it is August. So I mean September is about to come. So if you see Rohit Sharma, he got a leg injured. He got his leg injured in February, and then
yeah,
again he did not. He was not available for the Indian team as well. So
Yeah.
an injury concern is there for Rohit, and moreover, Rohit is not so consistent in IPL. I would say very inconsistent because if you see the
Rohit
last
Sharma
year,
is
2019,
inconsistent
last two
due
years
to
in
his
IPL,
batting position.
sorry.
yeah, yeah,
Rohit Sharma, Rohit Sharma's inconsistency is due to his batting position. If
Yeah,
he,
that's
Okay.
your problem.
if
So
That's
he's
your
wait,
problem.
wait, wait. So you want him to bat in which position? That is
open,
opener.
Okay.
That's
Yeah,
not
in the
our.
last,
Wait, wait.
opening
yeah,
bat.
yeah, in
That's
2019 he opened, right?
he
Did
opened,
he hit
right?
any centuries
Yeah,
or did he even hit a single century then? No, right?
2008, 2018
don't
or
just talk about
17,
century.
dude.
Don't
Okay,
See,
just talk
not even
about.
sir.
opener,
Wait, fine. Leave
opener
about
is
this.
measured only with his
No, no.
centuries,
Wait,
man.
wait. Just give me his. Okay, leave about the centuries. What about the consistency?
Yeah, what about the average? Average at least.
Average, at least average should be. He's an opener. He's an opener, right? You want him to bat on the opening side, like in the position where
Yes,
he'll open. So, uh, at least 30, right? Average should be at least 30.
yes.
But if you see in 2018, I don't think so. 2018 or 19, I don't think so. He performed as well, right?
2018, I think he batted it at the start of the tournament. He batted down the order at number
Yeah,
4.
yeah, actually true. Let us get into the other point. Rohit Sharma, we cannot predict Rohit Sharma because whenever we predict him that he will get duck out today, he goes for a double century. We cannot even predict
Yeah.
Rohit Sharma.
Yeah, that's true. But
That's
Yeah,
T20, I don't think so. Double
whenever
century
we
is
see one match
too
he hits a
much.
double century, in the next match he goes for duck. So
For
we
duck.
cannot even predict. We can't even predict Rohit Sharma.
Yeah,
yeah.
but let me say a point that
Yeah,
due to
sure.
this long gap, players may be improved, some players may deprove. So we
Yeah,
can't predict. Like,
that applies for CSK also, right? That applies for CSK
Yeah,
also.
yeah,
yeah.
I am saying in the point of Rohit Sharma, he may improve in.
Yeah,
See,
sorry,
Rohit
your
Sharma is
face
already
is
world
not
class
clear, bro.
batsman. Rohit Sharma is already a world class batsman. We cannot talk about his improvement. He already proved himself.
Yeah,
But
okay.
I am talking about consistency.
Yeah,
But this year, I think Rohit
His
Sharma
batting skills
is
are already
consistent
epic.
because
We can't even tell Rohit
his
Sharma is.
his
We,
technique
yeah, he takes more time
his
to
technique
get
is
into the form.
some.
Yeah, get into the form, but yeah, that's true. But
Yeah,
That's
okay. I
the
yeah,
reason.
want to say that.
that helps us, right? Like more time he takes, the less runs he makes.
Yeah, that's the reason we have sent
So,
Quinton de Kock as he comes into the form from the right first ball. So
uh,
let him play and Rohit Sharma get into the
So
form.
I think
I can't
this
see your
year
face,
means
bro.
Rohit
Bro, I
breakthrough year.
can see your face. Yeah, now it's fine. Yes. Aditya, even you a
I
bit
think
up.
yeah,
Let's.
actually, I think your playing 11 is not so impressive, guys. You have taken Lasith Malinga instead of Lasith Malinga. You could have taken the Dhaval
For
Kulkarni and given chance to Chris
any
Flynn.
other young player, actually, any
Yeah,
other young
Even
player.
Chris Flynn is very experienced in UAE pitch conditions because he plays for Pakistan Cricket League
Peak.
in UAE.
yeah. If
Many IPL cricketers play for PSL, but that's not
PSL,
an
yeah,
issue.
sorry, PS.
Yeah, that's not an issue,
Not
man.
an
But
issue.
see, why did you give chance to Malinga? I just want to know that because his recent form is very, very not at all impressive.
Yeah, we have given chance to Lasith Malinga only because of pitch conditions. Because he
See,
bowls
we
some
already
slow
told you that
ones.
in pitch
And
conditions are already crucial
Fetch.
for spinners.
yeah, let me explain.
Yeah,
Let me
sure, it's
explain.
your time. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
His
Take your
It's your
time.
time.
bowling is somewhat slow than at the zenith of his career. So I think Malinga can bowl some off cutters and there will be no variation in that much space. So that batsman can predict that's an off cutter or leg cutter. So I think he may get that variations on the pitch because in slow pitches off cutters are very useful for a bowler, fast bowler. That's why
if Lasith Malinga fails in
a
the first
world
two
class
matches,
bowling attack can a world class bowling lineup.
we can replace Nathan Counterline in place of Lasith Malinga.
Yeah, yeah, that's a good choice,
And
actually.
even and
Yeah.
even
Even
Lasith Malinga uh, and even the world class bowling pace bowling lineup of Mumbai Indians, Jasprit Bumrah, Lasith Malinga, and Trent Bolt, Nathan Coulter-Nile, and etc. I think they can execute this plan of off cutters and leg cutters very perfect. The inexperienced pace department of CSK.
Okay. Yeah, you're actually right. But then the recent form is not at all impressive, as I already said you. Now
Yeah,
let us get
because
into the
he is
next
not
point.
playing on. Yeah, next point.
Yeah,
yeah,
but
less.
Okay,
yeah,
now this
continue.
time you try to attack us. From the starting of the debate, we
Yeah,
were attacking
We
you.
are attacking you. So Just make any
Yeah.
point so that
Okay.
we can defend ourselves. Yeah.
Yeah, we have
So
good power hitters in our team, like
Okay.
Karen Pollard.
So do you doubt
And,
Dhoni that he's not a power hitter?
That's
yeah,
why,
he,
like,
but in a
what about
crucial times,
Bravo? Sorry?
no, I'm not saying
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
In crucial times, even our small players also can hit many more sixes. Like in one of the match, if all the lineup of Mumbai Indians has gone out, Krunal Pandya saved the team. Like that, even have a person who saved the MI team. Like that, I
If
am
we
saying.
are talking only about
Wait,
Krunal Pandya, then we have Ambati
did
Rayudu.
you wait, wait,
What
wait,
about
wait?
Ambati Rayudu?
Did you
Yeah.
forget 2018 first match? How did Kedar Jadhav play? At last he
did
was
you
injured,
forget?
but at last he came, right?
Yeah, he came at last.
Then
Did you
even we
forget
have
2017 IPL finals?
sorry,
RPS
I
against
can't.
RPS 2017 finals.
Yeah,
Okay.
that was in Hyderabad actually. Yeah.
Yeah,
That was a flat pitch. There, our bowlers stood very well and defended a very low score.
See, that was
Dude,
Mumbai
RPS, that was
Indians.
not
that was
CSK.
no, no,
Let
no.
me tell you, that was
Here the
RPS, that is
topic.
not
Wait.
CSK.
Here the topic is not about that. The topic is about every player can play like batting side, na? Who can perform well in even in the
Yeah,
batting side. So this is not like bowling now. We are talking about batting. So I'm
yeah,
yeah,
talking
okay.
that how even our 11th player can perform well, even in
Yes,
the terms
yes,
of
you're right.
batting.
If you see Deepak
So
Chahar, he's also a
I
match winner in batting. If
yeah
you see
I don't
Bumrah, I think I don't think so. Bumrah can even hit a
yeah he
single
can hit
boundary.
us. No, he can
Yeah,
hit, but like
yeah,
you
yeah.
can understand
So
what I mean.
yeah.
Yeah,
I
okay.
understood.
Yeah.
You said even your 11th player can play, but against our death bowlers, can they play? Against our
Wait,
death
They
wait, wait.
played, dude. They played. Some
You
matches they
want
played. I
your
don't remember.
11th player
that,
also to
that
score
are very
runs.
less. That
as
too
you only
against
said
Malinga.
before, as you only said before,
Wait,
in this lockdown, in this 4 5 months period, each and every player they might have focused on their fitness levels,
yeah,
and they have, yeah, anything can happen, man. On the match day,
Yeah,
you can't.
yeah, but
You can't predict anything now, but
yeah,
they're
you
going on the
want
best side
you
actually.
also you want your 11th player to score runs, but we don't want them because our batting order is very deep and they can stand alone for 20 overs.
Okay.
I
Okay.
think.
So your batting order is so deep. Then why did you get all out of 83 against Sunrisers Hyderabad
Sunrisers Hyderabad
in
Why
2018?
in
72?
2018.
Why 72 against Kings 11 Punjab? Why 72 against Kings 11 Punjab? CSK's
You
batting
guys
Nice
were,
order.
counter actually. Nice one,
yeah.
but
See, this was in 2018.
Every team has a bad day. We cannot do that. We cannot do
yeah,
anything
that's
about that.
that's true. That's true. But
Yeah. We were just defending ourselves that you told that your batting order is so deep, right?
That's why I had given a counter to you. That's it.
nice one actually, bro. Nice one. But now the conditions are different. I think. Let's see. Let's hope for the best.
Okay, so let us get into the next point. So Yashwant, take over the point.
Why we'll give them chance, right? Let's see what are they
Yeah.
gonna make
Yeah, you
more
have any
points on
points?
us.
So any points you have?
I think
So Vashantaj and
the
Mr.
fitness of
Bharadwaj.
your fielders. I think the fitness of your
Fitness of
fielders. Your
fielders.
fielders.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, we have Ravindra
Other than
Jadeja. I think he's
Wait,
number
wait,
one
wait.
fielder in India.
Aditya, wait.
Yeah.
Let him complete. Then we'll get a chance to speak.
other
Yeah.
than some of the youngsters, many
Yeah.
players like Watson, though Suresh Raina. Suresh Raina is an excellent fielder, but I think his agility has improved.
Okay.
Agility.
Yeah.
The
He's 33-year-old man.
acceleration he should get from point A to point B is very reduced now. Suresh Raina.
Hello.
He
See,
cannot move very quickly, but
Wait.
he has safe
Yeah.
hands. He cannot move
okay.
very
So let me tell you, Dhoni is not gonna do fielding. He's a wicket keeper. He's number one wicket keeper. We have no words for
yeah,
him. We have
that's
Shane
true.
Watson. Shane Watson and Fab du Plessis are the best fielders, if you know. And Suresh Raina is a good fielder. Maybe you doubt, you might have a doubt about Ambati Rayudu, but I don't,
That's
I don't know
But
about that. And
wait,
again, if you come Sam
they are
Curran,
very good
Sam Curran is
fielders
a
in
youngster.
terms of
wait,
catching,
wait,
not
everyone, wait.
not
Yeah.
saving the runs. They are very good
Oh,
fielders
really?
in
Oh, really?
yeah,
So tell
not
me an
saving the
instance where
runs.
they've left a ball for four.
Left overthrows. Overthrows. Shane
Okay.
Watson was the
Overthrows.
backup.
CSK have
He
never
left
lost
two
runs
four.
while overthrows. With overthrow.
Who said?
Mumbai have done that actually.
Watch Kings 11 Punjab match in
See, you can't talk about one
2019.
match.
You can't decide on one match, bro. You
IPL
can't then
happened for 13 years, man. So I mean 12 years. Of course, in the
Yeah,
2 years, you were not there, but again,
how can you tell that Emma has done that much in overthrows? Because
No,
we have very fast fielders who
I
have a
will
rocket
not
arm
tell
and just throw the ball and just throw the ball at the stumps accurately, but sometimes it may miss in the speed of the ball,
Okay, guys,
which we
actually,
cannot
I want to
predict.
tell you, it's already 25 minutes of the video, so let us end it up fastly in next 3 minutes,
Okay.
because
Yeah.
it should not delay much. So if you have any point, please raise it so that the audience can compare our both debates and give us points, because the audience are the whole. I mean, they are the they are going to decide who won in this debate.
Yeah.
Can you figure out some of the like match saving members, like match saving players? Like all the lineup has been failed, but one person made a team to win. Who is that
Bravo,
players?
man!
Like
Bravo,
Wait,
bravo!
we have many players. We have Bravo once.
We have
We have
Dhoni.
we are
Kedar
even
Jadhav
figure,
who played
we are even
epic.
figures.
Sorry,
We are even asking figures like how many runs in how many means
dude.
some runs
That is
that
wait. That is different, man. We can't remember all the score digits, right? See, I'm gonna say you who played best, like who had done well. First is like I'll say
Even
against
stats,
MI.
even the
Wait,
cricketers
wait,
must
wait.
have forgot
Wait,
those stats. How can
I'll say
you
against MI.
yeah.
MI Kedar Jadhav 2018 first match.
First match.
So
That
he
was the
was
match of
injured.
2 years
He came
CSK
and
came.
played.
Yeah.
Second, it
He was
was
injured
made.
and again he came in the last over and again he hit the six and let CSK win the match. That's
Next, it
simple.
was Bravo.
It was
Bravo.
Bravo. It
Many
was
times he
and
saved.
yeah,
Next, it
you
was
don't yeah. Tell me.
Dhoni. Next, it was Dhoni.
Yeah.
yeah.
Then it
And
was sometimes,
yeah,
Watson in 2018, like IPL finals. He played epic. He didn't even give chance to
even
others
this time we
like for
have
playing.
Sam Curran.
We
Sam
have
Curran can any order, any like he can open you last year. We've seen him opening. He can come at number 5, number 6, number 7. So
Amberti
whatever
Raidu.
Dhoni feels, whatever is good according to that day's pitch, he will do that. And whatever Dhoni does it's always correct. We've
It's simple,
seen it
yeah.
in the past.
Depending upon the conditions, pitch conditions, and the side they're playing against, the team members are gonna change. And I guarantee you, our fielding is gonna be more better compared to others because now we have nice things. Because everyone are good in fielding. I don't think like CSK is an bad fielding side.
I think
Because
except Piyush Chawla and Amati Raidu, I think each and everyone is a good fielder.
yeah, Raina is an epic
And
fielder,
even
bro. We
Amati
have to
Raidu is also
accept
not
that.
so bad fielder. We've seen him taking catches, we've seen him saving runs, even for India also in Asia Cup 2018 and even all in 2018 and 19 IPL. And he played for many seasons for your Mumbai Indians only, Amati Raidu, and he saved many runs there also. So I
So
think
let's
in the fielding
see.
issue, I think there is no negative in the fielding issue for Chennai Super Kings. I think
Coming
in
to the
even
next
in yeah
Yeah,
yeah
yeah.
coming
please
to the next point,
yeah
I
please.
want you to point out a player who can play very nice in aggressive mode. Means if there is
Aggressive.
aggressive condition.
Hardik
Dude,
Pandya.
MSD, bro.
You talking
MSD.
Yeah,
about Hardik Pandya? We have MS.
we have Hardik Pandya, Pollard many. Like we are asking in your team like that.
MSD.
That's what we were talking about till now. You were you
Fun.
before point
You
you have
depend.
raised about finishers, and again aggressiveness is equal to finishers. Finishers
But
are
I
the only
think
ones
And
who
we have the
play
best finisher
aggressively.
on their side.
Yeah, MS Dhoni. How can you even
MSD is
compare
there.
MS
Taleva
Dhoni?
is there on the side, right?
MS Dhoni is there,
yeah,
Bravo
yeah,
is there,
yeah.
Kedar Jadhav is there, Jadeja is there, and now even Sam Curran has come, and even Ambati
But I
Rayudu
think
can finish matches.
Yeah.
but I
Dude,
think there
you
are
have
very
turned off your video, man.
See, man, it's already late, around 28 minutes of the video, so
Yeah.
please end it up fastly so that
See, there's
okay.
nothing
So
more speaking, man. May the best team win. That is CSK
Yeah.
early, and we are gonna win the first match
As
this
yeah,
time.
so the first match we
see,
are gonna win again, and we are
see
first
when
match we will gonna see.
as if
See you
even
at
here
the
you're
toss.
Okay, man.
not
let's
See you at
gonna
the toss on
you
19.
are gonna meet some other team in Hyderabad. So thank you so much, Mumbai Indians. Next year, let us meet us in again finals 2021 because 2021 is an odd year. Okay. So bye
Okay,
guys.
man.
yeah.
Bye,
But
guys. Good
you
night.
may
Bye,
not but
bye.
you may not predict that may not win this time. It will win.
Yeah, I was actually joking, man. See,
We don't think so, man. I'm not joking. That will be true. 2020. I don't think so. Am I gonna qualify this season? I don't think so, bro.
in many things, MI is lagging in spinners, in pitch conditions, I think Mumbai this time will be.
That's the only weakness, right? You are telling many things, but the only weakness is spinners. That's it. No many, only just one.
Then
That's
wait, if your main department is weak, then how are you gonna perform, bro?
Okay,
Rahul Chahar and Krunal Pandya can
okay.
manage the
Okay,
Let us not drag
I
it
am
more.
saying, fine.
Let's
Okay,
see on the
let's see.
match day.
Okay,
Let's see on
then
the match day. Krunal Pandya and Rahul Chahar will manage the spin department. Let's see on the match
let's
day.
see.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
then
In the
bye.
episode 2, we're gonna meet about Sunrisers Hyderabad and Royal Challengers Bangalore. We are me and Yashwant is gonna take Sunrisers Hyderabad side, whereas Washington and Bharadwaj is gonna take Royal Challengers Bangalore side. So let us meet in this episode 2, guys. Thank you so much for watching our video, and don't forget to hit the
Like and
button.
subscribe.
One more thing, guys. One more thing. Please subscribe to Varshintej Dancer channel. So Varshintej, as you can see him in the screen, he also has a YouTube channel and he's very famous. He, he's a dancer. So Varshintej Dancer YouTube channel is there. Go and subscribe to him. I will be giving the link in the description also. Thank you so much, guys. Let us meet in the second episode.
Bye bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.